Hello everyone. Today I have the funnest video planned ever. I am super excited. It's kind of like a super simple, but with a little twist. And if it's a hit, I'm gonna keep doing them in some different themes. October's out of the way, so now it's time. It's full-blown Christmas mode over at Pink Monarch Prints. So we're releasing tons and tons of Christmas stuff, and this is one that I'm super excited, and I hope you guys love Christmas time as much as I do, and just all the fun things that come with it. Just quickly to explain this project, it's essentially just, it's gonna open up like this, and it's gonna be a notebook that you get to design. Lots of papers here, double-sided, tons of different options. It's gonna be really cute. I'm really excited to see the finished product. If you're seeing this video, it's because it turned out, because this is my first time making it. So like fully assembling it. So if you're seeing this, just know it turned out really well. I printed everything on 110-pound cardstock, except for the notebook paper, which is just on regular printer paper. I recommend doing that. I think we can just jump into it. I went ahead and cut and inked and scored everything. So you're gonna need this big piece that has this really gorgeous green pattern on the back. And then these two pieces, cute. You're just gonna go ahead and grab some glue stick, or art glitter glue is totally good. And just, I'm gonna use a glue stick. You're just gonna glue that bottom panel. Just the second fold. There's two folds, just the very bottom fold, if you can. And it's going to go here. I like doing it this way because then you can kind of see the whole thing. And then do the exact same thing with your bottom one. Place it under, line it up, and I'm just going to press it down. I love finally getting to assemble the things I've been working on. It's just gonna look like that. Nothing too crazy. Super simple and cute. I'm gonna use a paper clip to keep this closed because I'm not gonna be keeping this for myself. I'm gonna gift this, which is a use I think could be really fun for a lot of people. It's like as a gift. Okay, then these two pieces go on these two panels. So I'm just gonna do one at a time. I printed this on some scrap paper, so that's why there is a different color on the back. There's that. Oh, and the papers that are meant to be printed double-sided are labeled if you have any questions. Just like adding layering to my projects, like so. Although I love this green paper, I do have to cover it up for that part. So here's kind of what we got so far. It's just a traditional Christmas tree on the front. Okay, and then move on to this part right here and grab this piece, cut, fold, and score. These are just little pockets. I'm gonna go ahead and glue everywhere here, except it's one piece of paper, but it's going to be 3 pockets. So you want to try to keep it as thin as possible. And I'm leaving no glue on this whole side right there. But everything else is just going to be a very thin layer of glue on the crease lines and on the edges. Being sure to leave plenty of room. Okay, and then it's a perfect fit, so you can go ahead and line it up right against the edge. Press it down, and it's good to go. Look at that. Very cute. Okay, then there are 6 pockets. They are going to go here, 3 on each side. Something I was trying to decide is if I wanted to have them slanting inwards or if I want to have them slanting outwards. So I think I'm going to do that. I think that's kind of more of the look I'm going for. And I kind of want to make sure that they're pretty even. on side from side to side. If that makes sense. I want them to be lined up with each other. But I'm just gonna pay attention to that. Space them how you would like. I'm gonna space mine as evenly as I can, and just glue on the 3 edges, not the slanted edge. Okay, there she is. These colors in person are beautiful together. I love them. I need to get some sort of camera set up so that it is bright and clear. Yeah, obviously you can tell I messed up there. Some of the black ink on the back stuck, but it won't matter too much in a minute, so might get a I might get a whiteout pen and fix that. Okay, here comes, we're almost to the best part, so here it comes. In this kit, there's lined papers, there's papers with fun different colored borders, like that, and I know I have another variety, I think. Oh, I think they're just the blank papers. And then there's a backing paper that you can print on all of them. If you don't want lined papers, if you just want like just those, just print those. Just print a lot. I want to say there's four sheets per paper. 3, nope, there's 3. There's 3 of these per 8.5 by 11 paper that you can print, and I printed 5, so there's 15 sheets here. You can do more, you can do less. There's plenty of room to do probably up to like 30, I would say. But I just am choosing to do this. So, okay, so you're gonna need a stack of those and this little piece right here. But you're gonna start with your bottom paper, and you're gonna do a tiny, tiny strip of glue on the top. I'll probably use my art glitter glue, but a glue stick is fine as well. Just make it thin, and then all you're gonna do is just line this up, line it up, and just press it down. You can, if you have a threading tool with the wax thread and you want to make a book out of it, you can totally do that, but I'm trying to make this as accessible to everyone as I can. So line of glue, and you're going to do that with every paper. Okay, so I'm all finished there. I found that just lining up this corner and this corner worked really well for me. That's all I was focusing on. I'd glue, lay it down, just focus on these 2 corners. So if you want to secure it extra, this step is optional. Grab some washi tape or tape of any sort, and I'm just going to do a little strip. Doesn't need to be big, could just be on part of it. I'm just gonna get a little strip like that and create a binding. So now I just have a fun notepad, and it's holding together really wonderfully, and it's flexible, it's great. These papers were designed to look like coffee dyed papers, which ended up looking so good. They printed so well, and I love them. Okay, here's your next step. This, if you would like, you can put it somewhere on your paper. I'm deciding how much I want to fold it. It's supposed to just be decorative and just to give it a little bit of extra security. But if you want to design it so that only a little bit is showing, that's fine. I'm going to do mine thicker though. I'm going to do it about half and half. So I'm going to go ahead and score this, eyeballing this to see if it's even, but I'm going to score it there. Ooh. Okay, so I went ahead and scored it, and it's going to just go right here. Or I could do it on the smaller side, like that, but I like the bigger side personally. I think that looks nice. I'm just gonna glue it up. If you did the wax thread, then this is a good cover up for that. Look at that. Now you have your own little notebook, and it is beyond cute. I'm personally gonna glue this entire back down so it's super secure. Yeah, if you guys like this, if this sells well on Etsy, then I would love to make more of these because how cute. Make sure that's pretty centered. I'm telling you guys, when you're like holding this, it's the best thing ever. It's like seriously the best. Like it's heavy and you open it up and it's just cute. Here's my bottom page. As you guys can see, like it does flip open pretty well. I'm thinking if I do use them though, I might bend them. Like I'll bend them right up to that edge like that. But okay, so now that that part is finished, I get to show you guys the rest of it. I get to stuff the ephemera with you. So my thought process in making this was, how fun would it be to have a little notebook, like a little travel-sized notebook that you can have, you can pack stuff in. You can pack these little Christmas images and hopefully eventually other themes as well. I think it'd be fun to do a travel theme. It's like a little on-the-go junk journaling packet. I think I accidentally glued that down. Sure enough, I did. It's okay. Somebody's got to make the mistakes, right? Seriously though, some fun pieces are in here, and I'm loving it. You can fit quite a bit in them. So there's my top stuffs, and then my favorite. I did all of these ephemeras that are just so cute, and that you can just stuff them in here. I know I don't have the most excited voice, like I'm pretty monotone, but I'm a monotone person in general, but I am really excited about this. Like I'm thrilled about this. There's tons and tons of fun stuff to stuff. And what's great about this is if you have your own stuff, you can totally use it as well. There's some little ephemeras. I'm just thrilled. I wish I could express to you guys how excited I am about this. So let's just, oh, and then there's this. This is for cutting out little words, or these are some extra ephemeras that you're totally welcome to cut out and use if you want. I just did this and cut it so you guys could know it's there, but for the sake of the video, not gonna worry about that. Okay, so then you go ahead and shut it. Here it is. Here is your little travel-sized notebook. You open it up. There's some ephemera on top. Open these. Ephemera on the side. Let's say one day I journal, and then I just add this here. Or maybe I write somebody a note, decorate it, embellish it how I want, and then I can rip it out and give them that note. I think this would make a great gift for grandkids, for yourself. It doesn't have to be for kids, but I know if I was a kid, I would enjoy a little handmade notebook. Super easy to customize how you want. Everything about it is just awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you want to see different themes with this same design. I think a pink Christmas one will be coming soon, which is exciting. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching and always being the best supporters ever. Remember to turn on your notifications for more more freebies, more giveaways, more updates on videos, and all of those things. Oh my goodness. And we will see you next time. Bye.